Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our latest acquisition, a 1959 Restomod Chevy Apache Pickup. Ooh, nice features on this guy. We'll give you all the details in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, suburb of Minneapolis, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about our 1959 Chevy Apache Pickup Restomod. Oh, I'll tell you what a really neat truck in every sense of the word. Beautiful. Now you're going to want to watch this entire video from start to finish if you get the chance, because we're going to do a cold start, we're going to do a walk around, get lots more pictures, more ideas, show you all the great details and special features of this really cool Restomod pickup. You can also click on the link in the description and it'll take you right to this truck on our website, where you can find that information, and you can find all of our other close to 100 cars and trucks in our inventory at this particular moment. Cars and trucks ranging from stuff all the way in the 1920s all the way up into the 70s and beyond. So if you're looking for that classic collectible vehicle, we probably have it here at Ellingson's. And our website address, of course, is www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. So that's where you can also go and see all of our latest, greatest cars and trucks. But this is really, 1959 was a really good year for trucks, because what's happening is Chevrolet is realizing they're not just utilitarian anymore. They're starting to go, we got to make these things look good as well. So they started to come out with lots of extra features, a little more chrome on the hood to show you a little more. Of course, you got the Chevy Apache emblems here. And of course, if it's a V8, they're going to make sure that people know that it's a V8 rather than a 6-cylinder. No, this is an extremely well done all steel truck with this pearlescence white paint. Again, the Restomod trucks seems to be one of the real trends right now, because when they were ordered new, they just were work trucks. They didn't come with power steering, they didn't come with air conditioning, they didn't come with lots of the features that we kind of been accustomed to today. And now we want to have the look of the old trucks and whatever, but we want those creature comforts. And does this ever have some nice comforts? It's got a 350 Chevy that's been performance orientated. It's got a little more performance 4-barrel on there. It's got a few other goodies, very nicely detailed under the hood. Take a look at those pictures as well. But like I said, in 1959, a lot of these vehicles didn't come with all the bells and whistles. Well, this one has, of all things, it's got power steering, which is really nice on a truck no matter what. If you're going to the car shows or you're trying to park someplace or you're doing whatever, power steering is always a really nice feature. Also has powered brakes, front disc brakes as well. So you get this big truck going down the road, which it'll haul the mail, you want to be able to stop as well. So that's another nice feature. And there's one other thing that they have under the hood that's really great, especially if you're in one of the states that is a little warmer than us here up in Minnesota. It has a vintage air setup on it. Very nice to have air conditioning in a pickup truck that you can take and drive anywhere, anytime, all year round. It's really a nice feature. And again, very nice and well done. Of course, we've got the chrome rally wheels with the center Chevy hubcaps and radial tires. Again, radial tires being one of the nicest extra additions that all the newer vehicles have that they didn't have back in 1959. It just makes for a nice ride, handles well, just all the way around. Makes you almost feel like you're driving a late model truck, even though it's a 1959 model. No, it's one of those trucks that just really has got everything done to a nice degree. Chrome is beautiful. Paint, again, like I said, a pearlescence white paint. Very nice. Love the visor. I mean, that's something strictly out of the 50s, no matter what. I mean, it's just really one of those neat additions. And I love the color combo that they did on this truck, with the color matching on the top of the cab, and it goes down the Fleetside trim that goes all the way to the back. Again, looks like a rocket ship. Everything is speared, or looks like it's going faster when it's sitting still. Now you can find all of our stuff on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. give us a like, leave us a comment, or subscribe. We appreciate it very much, and you'll get all the information on this particular vehicle, plus all our current inventory. And just for fun, there's a lot of our cars and trucks that we have sold over the years that are still online that you can look at just if you want to enjoy looking at older vehicles and stuff that we've had. But yeah, take a look at the inside of this truck. Another nice feature that probably I know was not available in 1959, tilt steering. Very, very nice for us guys that need a little extra room or whatever. Custom steering wheel. They really didn't hack up the dash per se, but they did put in the VDO gauges, so you have much better control over what the performances of your given vehicle with the speedometer and the gauges, temperature, oil pressure, amp gauge, and that sort. Looks like it has an original slot where the original radio is, but it looks like a later model radio. Play those tunes all day long. I really like the interior. You know, it's got the bench seat, and I think this is an interior. It looks like something out of a '58 Impala with the tritone inserts and cloth and vinyl. Plus, it's got seat belts in it. Just another one of those nice extra features that people really get accustomed to and like to have today. Take a look at the box as well with the wood bed with the stripes down it, all color matched. Beautiful bed. Tailgate's really nice shape. And does this have a nice sound to it? You watch the entire video where you can hear the cold startup. This is a very, very well done truck. So if you're looking for something to add to your collection that, maybe you haven't had an old truck, well, you want one with all the bells and features in it, this one has it. Especially, also that panoramic back window. I love the big back window. I mean, it's really, really a good feature. Power windows in this thing too. I mean, whoever did this truck did one outstanding job. And being it's an automatic, anybody can jump in it, turn the key, and drive it any place you want to go. It's really, really one of those special trucks, to say the least. Now, if you're like me, I would probably have to come down and take a look at it in person. Hey, we're more than happy to have you come to Ellingson's. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 until 5 and Saturdays 10 to 4 as well. So if you need to come down, take a look at it in person, we welcome you anytime. So that will work out good. No, it's one of those trucks. I guess I'm kind of a Restomod guy. I really like to have looks really similar to the way it did in 1959, but yet has that modern drivetrain so you can take it out any day of the week and drive it wherever you like to go. So if you want to come on down, we appreciate it. And thanks for watching our videos. We really do appreciate that an awful lot. And I thank you very much. And we will see you next time at EllingsonMotorcars.com.